Hello, class 7 students. Good morning to all. I hope you're all doing fine at home, staying safe, right? After giving you lectures on Biosketch, chapter number 1 of literature, Tom Sawyer's Gang, and chapter number 1 of grammar, that is nouns. Now we are heading towards chapter number 2 literature, that is the poem Reminiscence of My Childhood, written by Franklin Price. Reminiscence of my childhood means basically the poet is remembering his younger days, right? And he is trying to show us the difference between his younger days and just the current days, right? In the simplest form, we can understand this poem is that you can compare your parents' generation and your generation and the things that lasted, क्या क्या चेंजेस उस बीच में आए हैं आप दोनों की जनरेशन में, फिर योर पेरेंट जनरेशन एंड एज अ स्टूडेंट दैट यू आर, राइट. जो चेंजेस आप में आए हैं बेसिकली वही इसमें इस पोएम में लिस्ट आउट की गई हैं. सो आई एम गिविंग यू सम लिस्ट आउट थिंग्स दैट द पोएट इज trying to say and what were the changes. Basically, the first change he was trying to say that there was no cell phones in those younger days of his, but there was telephones, so there was proper connection, proper face to face connection. The people can meet face to face, but nowadays there was social media, Facebook, Twitter, so they can contact in, so there was no face to face connection in those Facebook and social media world, right? And Apple was just a fruit in those days, but now Apple is a technological company, and Microsoft was not even a word in those younger days. There was a library which we can use, but nowadays we can also use websites or basic this YouTube also for learning and all, right? As for example, the latest example I can give you, that you are learning online classes but your parents didn't learn through online, right? They learn through books. So these were the some changes that this Franklin Price trying to list out and differentiating between his younger days and the current days, right? So we can start reading this poem stanza by stanza. Let's begin. Yes, class 7th, let's start chapter number 2, that is the poem Reminiscence of My Childhood, written by Franklin Price. Reminiscence of my childhood means the poet is remembering his past days or past events when he was younger, and he is differentiating between his younger days and the older days, means what has changed along all this time, right? और डिफरेंस बता रहे अपने यंगर डेज में और अपने ओल्डर डेज में जो क्या क्या चेंजेस उन्होंने देखने को मिले हैं बेसिकली. First stanza, we'll read this. Reminiscence of my childhood, looking back on younger days when life was not so hectic, mass media not the craze. So what's the meaning of this stanza? Reminiscence of my childhood, looking back on younger days. Now we look back on our younger days when life was not so hectic. Means life was not so hectic, we don't have to work more or to earn more. Mass media not the craze. So social media was not there at the time of frontline media, or news channels were not there at that time. It doesn't give us enthusiasm also, not the craze basically. ज़्यादा खुशी नहीं देते हैं वो चीज़ हमें. तो यंगर डेज में लाइफ हेक्टिक नहीं थी और मास मीडिया भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता था. Not a craze at that time, right? Second stanza, no such things as cell phones, we had a party line. Speaking to an operator to call a friend was fine. So there was no such thing as cell phone, means there was no mobile phones at that time. We had a party line, means we had a telephone calls. Speaking to an operator, maybe we speak to an operator or a person basically who works on a telephone exchange, हम उससे बात कर लेते थे. और we can call a friend, वो भी अच्छा लगता था हमें. तो ये डिफरेंस आया है कि उस टाइम पे सेल फोन नहीं थे बट टेलीफोन्स थे जिससे हम ईजिली we can talk with a friend or an operator, right? Third stanza, to look up information and encyclopedia of course and other books of reference library was the source. So to look up information, अगर आपको जानकारी चाहिए थी, so basically what we have, the sources, encyclopedia was there, right, and other books of reference. So basically there were books, plenty of books to read for the grasping information. Library was the source. So there was only one source, that is the library. But आजकल तो बहुत सारी sources हैं, like cell phones, websites, YouTube and all those stuffs. So basically at that time, in the poet's younger days, the library was the only. Now fifth stanza. Checkout time was just 2 weeks. Returning late, there was a fine, and an exorbitant 2 cents a day, a large amount if it was mine. So if you issue the book from the library, you can issue it for just 2 weeks. आप 2 हफ्ते तक book issue कर सकते हैं. And if you return after 2 weeks, that means you have to pay a fine after returning back in 2 weeks. An exorbitant means a higher price, 2 cents a day, which sets up along 2 cents a day. A large amount if it was mine, so that is quite a higher price for the returning of books. So it was just a fine which is quite big according to the poet, which is quite expensive, right? Stanza 6. Computers filled more than a room, at least that's what I heard. Apple was a fruit to eat, Microsoft was not a word. So basically there were no computers at that time, and Apple was just a fruit, not the technology company that it is right now. And Microsoft was not a word. So Microsoft doesn't exist, not even the word or not even the technological company that it is now, right? Of course there was no texting. Basically उस टाइम पे कोई texting नहीं थे. There was no texting, right? There was no cell phones. Conversations face to face, just the mere conversations we do face to face. आपस में एक दूसरे से face to face बात करते थे. Meeting at the local drive-in for a bite was the place. So basically they met at the local drive-in. Drive-in means a place where one can eat without leaving the car. तो बिना अपने कार छोड़े वहाँ खाना खा सकते थे. For a bite was the place. तो वहाँ खाना खाने जाते थे, and that was the place to eat, right? So those were the days. वो याद करते हैं उन्हें. Reminiscence is so wonderful, it always makes me smile. So reminiscence days of the poet were so wonderful, the younger days were so wonderful, it puts a smile on the poet's face. I'll post this poem on Facebook in just a little while. So at last the poet said, I'll post this poem on Facebook, that he'll post this poem on Facebook, on social media, in just a little while. In just a little while, कुछ ही देर में मैं इसे post कर दूंगा, right? So basically this was the poem Reminiscence of My Childhood. The poet is explaining or giving the glimpse of his younger days and differentiating those younger days with the current days, right? Those were the some differences he was talking about. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.